Nagpagmat mo, nagpractice.
Ayan. And let us welcome them in there. Nico Dance.
Pedaube.
Nico, lahat ng mga Aboy Energy! Hey, alright, so thank you for that wonderful dance number. Mura sila panday, kaya nanuktok lang sila. Please po, mga Aboy Energy po sayaw po kayo ng Boy Look Yun Bonggang-bongga. Ayan. And now, let us all welcome our son and player. Let us all welcome Mr. Jason Martinez together with Mom, Joanna
Nibalik lagi.
Mambo! Hey! Hey! Hands up, hands up! Yes, pwede ba sabayan natin?
Ay, balik mo. Ano ba yan?
Ano lang yung palakpak, ha?
Ayaw sila.
Ayan. And now, let us welcome them in there. Nico and let's go about their play. Ang ilan na parang siya, ang ilan na magpihin doon, nagkakanaon. Alright, peaceful energy, give me some energy, mga abay. And now let's move on to Mr. Fritz Dylan Tinampay together with Mom, Rizal and Solis. Hey! Hands up, hands up! Wow, ang ganda naman natin buwabo ni Sir. So Chris, eto, kung nagbuyaw gini sila manayo, Sir, ikimbot din sila. Sir, buyaw, labiyo din tayo, ha? And now let us welcome them in the TikTok dance.
Baby girl, just move if you wanna. Shake it, you wanna. Shake it, look in the look in what you wanna. Twerk if you wanna. Kapag lahat ng nakatingin, shawty, why you so funny? Galing ang yung mama, ass like no, kaya saan ka
Oy, nangidhat na lang ng isimang buwado. Naula ba naman? Yung ulaw-ulaw, ayan. So na yung wonderful dance number. Okay, so now, let us all welcome. Uy, ani, mga kuya, gini palupig na atong sunod na performer mo. And now, let us all welcome Mr. Dexter Pablo together with Bob, Rina May, Nelsa Family. Hey! Hands up, hands up! Mga ninong and Rina, pwede ba ganyan naman po kayo? Hands up, hands up!
Palingat ng siwat.
Ay, yun, para ani. Ani yun, muna akong sinaligan yun. Salig yun ko, ani, bulog yun sila yun. And now, pwede bang palakpakan muna natin sila bago sila sumayaw? Sige sa isang palakpakan naman! And now, let us welcome them in there. Dito, dance. Say thank you for that wonderful dance number.